Alright, what's good, YouTube? No Cap Trav back at it again with another video. Today we got a vlog. It's currently 7:27. About to head to this car meet that I found out about on Instagram. I've been trying to go for a couple times, but I work overnight, so there's certain days that they be scheduling it. I just haven't been able to go. So luckily I was off tonight, so definitely gonna head out and see what's there. So, I'm about to probably put the flyer here. I think it's from Tristate Motorsport. That's the name of the page. Double check. Yeah, it's Tristate Motor Club on Instagram. I'm gonna leave their page in the description and put a flyer up too. Put the flyer, a picture of their Instagram, so you guys know what their page look like, in case you want to check it out, get more info. So, about to head there now. Starts at 8. So catch you.
Aiming for bigger cake. Whole team winning, we filling up dinner plates. Fuck on your bitch, we don't do no dinner dates. I'm in first place and these little niggas late. Industry, not industry, these niggas know the car. I'm straight up off the block, hopped in the phone and pushed the top back. I've been hustling for a long time. On feet, then go for the kill. Body for body, man, this shit for real. Running for high, my killer, he skilled.
I see a couple of BMWs. It just turned 8 o'clock. There's a few people here. Not too many, but I'm pretty sure there's more coming. Yep, see a couple BMWs. That's about it so far. So I'm just waiting for my boy Chris to pull up on me. So we're gonna see what's up, see what cars we're gonna check out, and it's lit.
Bishop in the cut. What's good, buddy?
You ain't know what it is. RC Bishop in the vlog with it, aka Chris. You know, it's aka RC, aka RC Buckets or Buckets. You know that the new name they go by. They call me Chris. You ain't know what the vibes is. Chris is the vibe, bro.
Can't take photos.
I mean, yeah, you know, some light shit. Come out with my camera, got that shit in the bag.
God damn.
Niggas don't got juice out here.
Chris strapped up. He not playing games. He bought everything with him.
Some calm shit. Some calm shit.
Facts.
Some regular calm shit. You'll see what's going on tonight.
Factual.
AKA Chris.
Nah, he's got some fire underglows.
You say you gotta call me punch.
Got some fire ass underglows.
I don't know about that.
Type S.
Type S. Nah, that's the A spec, bro.
That's a Type S. That's his Instagram if you want to check him out.
Type S demon.
Right. Nah, that shit hard. Word to bro. This shit fire too. The Mustang. Ah, damn. Nah, word. Watch out, Chris. Corvette in the spot. Couple Beamers here. It's the Mazda again. What? For real?
You never know what MD means?
Oh yeah, MD. Infinity here.
Bro, I see a lot of muscle.
STI.
I see a lot of muscle. I want to see something different.
Watch out, Chris. He's trying.
Oh, you better not.
Yeah, you good. You got it. You got it. Oh, he got a 360 cam on the back of the Beamer. That is tough with the taillight. Gotta get it sanded and then wrapped and shit. Another Corvette pulled up to the spot. Good turnout. Yeah, people here.
Oh shit. I love that. Oh my god, I got me weak.
Yellow brake rotors. That's his Instagram if you want to check him out. God damn. It's a sticker for his Instagram. Big black.
Calm interior, 2-seater. M3. Yellow brake pads. Why so serious? Calm interior, 4-seater. Ooh, the seating, nice. The leather. Got another Corvette over here. Manual, 2-seater.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna say about that new update, bro.
Camaro here. ZL1. Carbon fiber on the hood. Is this another Camaro? I think this is another Camaro. Blacked out. Oh no, this is a Mustang, my bad. Blacked out Mustang. This is Instagram if you want to check it out. 5slow_. This, I think.
Chuck, I bet. I'm gonna catch him slipping with that shit. He thought he had me at that point.
I think this is a STI or this is just a regular WRX. Very clean. These rims are phenomenal.
Loving that shit.
Got a brake light. Look at that. STI.
Yeah, I sell the swap kit.
Buy a Kia swap.
Yeah, so like I provide. You think about it, like how many stock owners do really like that?
The drop top thing in it.
It's not working.
Chrome rims.
I think everyone says that, and by like a month or two they get better.
350Z in it. A big body truck, Chevy. God damn, these rims is crazy. It's like half my body. I'm dead.
Yeah, big ass exhaust. GTR. Big ass wing. The one and only. His headlights go crazy.
Yo, bro.
How?
Oh shit, that's a big
Carbon fiber roof too. At you on the spot.
Wait, Actor could have fucking put something out there.
You know they did. You know why? Because when they went to court and they saw the package information they had against me, there was no information.
You should have fucking said that.
So they're all ripping around. Together, all four of them.
Okay.
It's gonna look like well, just put it in, it's clear as well.
You'll see where it is.
It's not gonna be that. Get an Actor. Check it.
You talking? Right, like.
Come on, bro. This is pretty. Huh? Get a what? Alright, y'all, we've been here for about like 2 hours type shit. We got to see like a... Yo, this nigga's recording me. We got to see a lot of cool cars, couple old schools, couple of new schools, some G80s, some Mustangs, whoa, I'm wildin', WRXs. So I think I'm about to wrap it up, go home, edit this footage, edit a couple photos I took for some people.
What happened?
Got anything to say before I end the vlog?
Anything before the end of the vlog? Let's see. You already know. Signing out. RC Bishop. You already know what the vibes is. Follow me on Instagram. Yo, follow the Rock Boyz page. You already know what it is. Basketball content all day, every day. You already know I'm not gonna be wrong about anything I say. Let me stop. Cut that. Nah, but keep that low key.
I'ma keep it.
Yeah, keep that low key. But anyways, but yeah, you know, Bishop signing out. I'm just gonna be out here doing what I gotta do.
That's it. I'm gonna link his Instagram and the channel, that the Rock Boyz channel, down in the description. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, post notifications, all social media at NoCapTrav. Make sure you what was I gonna say? 100 subscriber giveaway. We're currently at 65. I'm about to do the video soon to announce the rules, how to get into it, or how to enter to successfully put your entry in to receive $25 via Cash App. So I'm gonna catch y'all soon in the next one. Peace.